Welcome to Matidor. In this quick tutorial, let's dive into how to use the Work feature to track your project activities effortlessly. First, open a Matidor project. Then click on the Work tab. To start tracking work, click the Add Work button. Select one of the different work templates. Once there, you will notice that by default, the work title is the template name, but the user has the option to edit it. You also have the option to assign it to a team member, set start and due dates. You can also add any custom fields your team has defined for more detailed tracking. Finally, click on the Save button. If work approvals are enabled, your work will go for manager approval before closing. Need to break work into smaller steps? Go back to the newly created work, and you'll see the option to add subtasks. Subtasks can also be pre-created in your work template. You can assign and set due dates for each subtask, but remember, subtasks don't have custom fields or attachments. If a subtask must be completed before moving forward, mark it as a blocker. This keeps your workflow on track. Want to attach files? Simply drag and drop any important documents or photos. These files will also show up in your project files. Export your work report as a PDF. Click on the three dots on the upper right side and select Export. You can customize your report to include maps, subtasks, and more, making communication a breeze. You will get an email notification with a link to download the PDF once the report is ready. Want more details? Expand to table view. Using Work in Matidor keeps your projects organized, transparent, and on time, so your team stays connected and productive. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.